Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Verso. In this video I'll show you where are the VIN numbers of this car and what does the VIN number stands for. The vehicle identification number is a unique code assigned to every vehicle. It serves to provide access to vehicle history and equipment. First VIN number you can locate in this car is under the passenger's seat. Right here. Second VIN number you can find is located on the front windshield. Specifically on the right side, but it's fogged. And the last VIN number you can locate is behind driver's doors on this sticker. Now let's take a look at the VIN number and let's decode it. The first three characters typically denote the car manufacturer. Characters from 4th to 9th or 10th position describe the model and type of vehicle. 10th character represents the vehicle production year. Subsequent characters may indicate the car's place of manufacture. Remaining characters form unique serial number for identification. In some cases, the VIN includes details about engine and body. But these are not all information you can get from VIN number. Thanks to VIN number we can also learn about the vehicle trim level, engine type and size, body style, safety features, production plant specific features, check digit number, market and destination and series informations. All of those informations you can get from manufacturer or dealer, online services or government agencies. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.